A lot of people think that driving a truck means you just sitting in the seat and driving all day. Honestly, trucking is one of the most misunderstood jobs in the country. There's rules that we have to go by. There's pressures that we have to deal with, whether it be weather, whether it's dispatch, whether it's traffic, whether it's the police on the side of the road, whether it's the inspections from DOT, the shippers, the receivers, 100 decisions we have to make every day, every hour. It's just constant over and over and over. So after 30 years, I realized something. If I could make someone else's experience with trucking a little easier by sharing what I know, why not? So that's why I started this channel. So to explain some of why I started this channel, I'm going to tell you a little bit about my story as I was trying to get my CDLs in the beginning. I was 21. I'm like, I want to go get my CDL. I want to drive because I like driving. The first trip I made to cross country, I was 17. I went from Alabama to California. And then 18, I came back, lived with my uncle for a little while. So basically, I love to drive. Always have. I went 21, I went to a school. I'm like, hey, I want to get my license. And the recruiter on the phone, he's like, yeah, come on, we'll make it work. Just bring, a down payment for your schooling. It's X amount of dollars. So I show up, have the money for the down payment for the school. And then a couple hours later, I'm sitting there. They call me to the office. They say, hey, we can't do this because you're not going to get hired because you have too many tickets. I like to drive fast. I like to race. So I had tickets for speeding, reckless driving, all kind of crazy stuff. So basically they just said, bye, good luck. And I was like, wow, I'm done. I don't know what I'm gonna do now because I wanted to drive. But I was just patient. I got all of the stuff off my license, cleaned up my license. It was just a couple of years away. And I studied, instead of going to school then, I studied for my test, my written test myself. Went and took the test, got my permit, and then I had to figure out how am I going to get driving experience so I can, pass the driving side of the part of the test. So through a friend of a friend, it was car hauler, I started with him, and basically my training was, we went to Florida first trip. He pulled over at the end of the ramp for the scale house and said, there it is, have fun, we're going here. And there you go. And I just started driving. About a month later, took my driving test, drove for him a couple more months. And then his friend, company that they were kind of tied in together, that was my first job. First driving job, hauling cars coast to coast. Personal POV, pick up in the housing areas and things like that. That's not easy. Housing areas is really not easy to get around, maneuver in a truck. But I didn't care. Even the truck was old. This was 96 whenever I got my license. It was probably 97 whenever I started for that other company, and it was an 81 model truck. It had over 1.5 million miles on it. Wore out, but I didn't care because I loved driving that much. It was really, really, really fun. Adventurous to me because I like to travel. I've always done it my whole life. A lot of people don't, but it's just what I wanted to do. And that's why I pushed so hard to get to where I was able to drive. But then life changes. You get married. You have kids to take care of. You have responsibilities. Providing for family, paying bills and doing all of the good stuff, keeping food on the table and everything. And then this job that wasn't a job then became a job. And I actually thought about probably 10 or 15 years ago, I'm going to quit. And then I did take a break a couple of years ago for a while. But now that I've came back, I actually enjoy it again. And I figured, why not share what I know from the last nearly 30 years. I've taken a couple of breaks, but for the most part, for the last 30 years, I've drove. I've just gone, go. And I've learned a lot of stuff. Not just myself, but I know a lot of people that know a lot of stuff, that they don't want to do something like this. People don't understand trucking. Like I said in the intro, it's not about just driving, getting from point A to point B. That's a small part of the job. Every day, you're dealing with things like traffic, the weather, dispatching asking you, why are you not there? Police watching you on the road. You got to watch, make sure you're just, not doing something just wrong to get a ticket, because that cuts into your profit. Dealing with the DOT, more police, that they're going to check your truck. They're going to check your weights. They're going to check everything. They're going to check all your paperwork, your license, your medical card, all kinds of good stuff. The shippers and the receivers, some of them are total not really nice to you, to be nice about it. But and then constantly planning. Where am I going to park tonight? Where am I going to get fuel? What am I going to eat for food? Did I bring enough food? Am I going to have to go grocery shopping? There's all kind of stuff in this job that a lot of people don't understand. That it's not just about driving. I love it. I don't mind the planning. I don't mind the figuring things out, because I love to travel so much. If you like to travel, over the road's for you. If you want a trucking job that you want to be home, maybe local or regional, is for you. We all have to figure out what fits us. None of them are any more special than the other, for lack of a better word. It's trucking, period. You can work 14 hours a day and live in the truck, or you can work 14 hours a day and go home. You have to figure out what's going to work for you in trucking. But on top of all of that other stuff that I talked about that we have to deal with in trucking, you're still responsible for this up to 80,000 pound truck. Some of them go over, depending on where you're at. Then you have to think about a really, really big thing a lot of people don't think about is the weather, and it doesn't matter what time of year. You have to deal with, you could wake up in the morning and be nice and sunny, and then next thing you know, you have high winds, you have a snowstorm, you have an ice storm, you have thunderstorms, hailstorms, tornadoes, hurricanes, which you can see a hurricane, you can kind of plan for a hurricane, but some of this other stuff you can't really plan for, and it pops up on you. Next thing you know, you just drive right into a stinking snowstorm, or drive right into an area where there's a hailstorm going on and you don't know about it. That's why I started this channel, is to help new drivers to realize the ins and outs of trucking, to realize that it's not that difficult if you know the rules and know how to plan ahead for things. I didn't start this channel to be YouTube famous or to make a bundle of money on YouTube. I started this channel to help people be more profitable. If they like to travel, this is your job. If you like to be alone or just do your own thing, this is your job. I was told or suggested to me several times, because I like to teach things. I like to tell, experience. And for some reason, I remember just random facts about things. But I've told for a long time, you need to start a trucking channel, whether it be on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram or whatever. And I'm like, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. But I don't mind talking. And I'm not scared of a camera or in person. It doesn't matter to me either way. So I was like, why not? And I just had to figure out who I wanted to talk to. And honestly, it's the new drivers. I don't care your age. I don't care if you're 21 or you're 61 or 81 and you're wanting to start driving a truck. I have knowledge about this industry and I'm willing to give it away. Willing to give it away. Willing to make your life easier. There's no need in I get a lot of comments, and some drivers, experienced drivers, well, if they don't know it, oh well, they shouldn't get in trucking. Or if they don't know it, they'll figure it out or fail one. Why do you want people to fail? Why would you not want people to succeed and to be safer on the road, especially if you're planning ahead? Things like, why would you not? I want people to succeed. I can't haul all the loads. No one can. So why wouldn't I want someone else to succeed and be profitable and have a good life doing it? So I'm doing this without getting paid. I have some affiliate links that I may get a little bit of money from. It's not going to cost anybody anything, so I figured, why not? I may, if I get big enough on YouTube, I may start getting paid some through them for the ads that they put on my videos. It's not going to cost anybody anything, just a few seconds to, either watch it or not. You can decide on that. But I just started this really and truly to help people understand and help people get further quicker than I did without having to go through the hassles that I did, the being, stuck on the side of the road, trying to figure out, hey, I had a blowout, what do I do now? Or my truck's broke down, what do I do now? I started before cell phones. We couldn't just call somebody. It was a little more difficult to find places or people to help you with your truck, but it was still possible. You had to do some things that are kind of frowned upon now. First time I had a blowout, I drove 10 miles to a truck stop because I'm like, that's all I know to do. So I just slung rubber all the way to the truck stop. That's not a wise choice anymore. But if I can help one driver have a better experience, or one driver not get into trouble, one driver not get stuck on the side of a mountain in a snowstorm, or run in the ditch, or turned over by high wind, if I can help this one driver, that's fine. I hope it's thousands, to be honest. I hope it's thousands that get something out of what I put on this channel. And honestly, this channel's not all, I talk mostly about trucking, but it's not about just trucking. It's life in general. It's trying to understand, that we're all different. We have different beliefs. We have different experiences. We have different ideas. And that's all okay. We just have to learn to listen to each other. Whether we agree with each other or not, listen to each other. Tell what you think. Your friend tell what they think. If you agree, fine. If you don't, fine. We're not all going to agree on everything. And that's fine in life, period. So that got off into some other things that just kind of randomly come out of my mind. But in general, that's why I drive a truck. That's why I started this channel. Because it's not a bad career. And I think if people understand what they're getting into before they actually get into it, they can be better off. They can be, make better decisions on if they want to get into it or not. They can make more money if they know how to make more money. What part of the industry they want to get into. There's a lot of things that you can do in this industry that'll make you a lot of money. There's a lot of things that you can do in this industry that will break you. You can burn out from this. Companies will try to push you to your limit. You have to learn your limits. So anyway, that's why I do what I do. And I appreciate you all watching. I appreciate everyone that's subscribing. And if you have any questions, comments, things, anything like that, just drop them below. I'll try to answer all of them that I can. There's becoming several that I would sit here for days on some of them to answer all of the comments. And I really appreciate them. And I kind of pick and choose, see which one that makes more sense to respond to. If they're just silly comments or Negative comments, I'm not going to respond to them most likely. But I appreciate you watching this far. If you have, I'll have another video out Friday and then a live stream Sunday at 6 p.m. Central Time. And I'll be posting what the subject of each one of those will be as we go through the week. I appreciate you watching and have a great rest of your day.